Good morning, everyone. I am Saranya, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Technology, SNS College of Engineering. Today is my topic is an unsupervised machine learning and reinforcement machine learnings and comparison of supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement machine learning. Unsupervised machine learning. Unsupervised machine learning is a type of machine learning that learns from the enabled data. This means that the data does not have any pre existing labels or categories. The goal of unsupervised learning is to discover the patterns and relationship in the without any explicit guidelines. Yeah, unsupervised learning is the training of machine using the information that is neither the classifier nor labeled and allowing the algorithm to act on that information without the guidance. Here, the task of the machines is to group unstored information according to similarities, patterns, and difference without any prior training of data. Unlike supervised learning, to teacher is provided that means no training will be given to the machines. Therefore, the machines is restricted to find the hidden structure of the enabled data by itself. Um, You can see the supervised learning to examine the animal data that has been gathered and distributed between the several groups according to the traits and actions of the animals. These groupings might correspond to various animal specifies and providing you categorize the creature without depending on the label that it's already existed. Here the key points of supervised learning. uh, Unsupervised learning allow the model of discover the patterns and relationship the enabled data. Here the clustering algorithm groups similar data points together based on their inherent characteristics. Features extractions capture the essential information from the data. It's enabling the model to make meaningful distinction. The label associations assigns the categories to clusters. Uh, Clusters uh, based on the extracted patterns and characteristics. For the example, imagine you have the machine learning model trained on the large data set of enabled images containing the both dog or cats or uh, elephant, camel, and cow. The model has the never seen an image of a dog or cat before and has no pre-existing labels or categories for these animals. Your task is use unsupervised learning to identify the dogs and cats in a new unseen images. For instance, suppose it is given an image having a both dog or cats which has a never seen. Thus, the machine has no idea about the features of dogs and cats or an elephant, camel, or cow. So we cannot categorize it is a dog or it is a cat or it is an element or elephant or a camel, but then categorize them according to their similarities, the patterns and differences. We can easily categorize the above picture in two parts. The first may contain the all pigs having a dogs. In the second part may contain the all pigs having a cats. Here you did not learn anything before, which means no training data or an examples. It allow the model to work on its own, discover patterns and informations that has the previously undetected. It mainly deals with the enabled data. Uh, then types of unsupervised learning. A supervised learning is classified into the two categories. Here the first one is in clustering and second one is association, and then the final another one is in dimensionally reductions. A clustering problem is where you want to discover the inherent grouping in data, such as grouping customers by purchasing a behavior. Here the association is an association rules learning problem is where you want to discover the rules that describe large portions of your data, such as a people that buy X also tend to buy an Y.